new here, welcome to all of my returning subs. You don't know what your girl feel about you. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, put your notification bell on so you'll be in the know when your girl upload new content. In today's video, guys, I will be doing my kitchen area / dining area. I haven't done a video in this area since the Christmas season, so your girl is gonna be styling this area. I did clean prior to coming on camera. I just couldn't clean and do everything on camera. I'm just gonna be honest with you, I'm kind of overwhelmed with a lot of stuff going on, as I explained to you prior to in a recent video. I won't be changing the blue. As you guys know, blue is my favorite color, so I won't be changing these. I really did not enjoy my curtains for the Christmas season. I did decorate in blue. I'm just gonna bring back a touch of it in the space to really enjoy it. Yeah, so yes guys, without further ado, let's get into styling. I'm gonna be showing you over there that I'll be doing as well. I'll be doing my vignettes along this area. You guys probably know this area already. I have certain pieces that I keep in the area that will be staying here, which is this piece and right there. So I have a couple of vignettes to do in here, as I said before. So that's what I'll be doing in the area. So first, I think I'm gonna just bring the table back into the area, or let me just do over here first. I won't be doing a lot of talking in the video, so we're just gonna decorate.
I should have paid attention. You would have been the obvious choice, but I needed time to see clearly, dig deep and cut through the noise. So then you came around and you played it cool, but shut it down. So you took your time and I opened up. I'm not surprised by what I found, 'cause I know I needed something different. Out the blue, somebody who would listen, and it had to be you. Out of all the people to revive my love, couldn't be just anyone. But baby, it had to be you,
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. Baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. Whatever, and I would never. Yeah. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately it's you. You stole your piece, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lie like a ride, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine you can't chase, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day. So I never saw your face.
Second guessing our love, oh no, I don't really care if you hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too.
I just want to take this time to say a special thank you to all of you guys who take the time out of your busy schedule to watch my videos, enjoy my videos, leave the comments, giving the videos a thumbs up. It is greatly appreciated. I appreciate you guys so much for always supporting me and being patient with me. I am going to be doing 2 more videos in my kitchen area. One of them is going to be pretty much some updates that I'll be doing, and the other one will be like a decorating video afterwards. But I will be doing those videos for the spring season that is coming up. This is like a pre-spring video pretty much. I'm using the vibrant color blue, which is my favorite color. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. Please leave a comment in the description box letting me know what you like the most about the styling that I did, as well as give the video a thumbs up and put your notification bell on. And if it's your first time here, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button before you leave. And as I've always said, guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Please don't forget to hug on your family. Reach out to somebody, guys. Reach out to somebody. You never know. You never know. And as I've always said, take care, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
You say that beauty lives in me too. Beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too. You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance?